let's get started. We have Artist Loft, Flow Acrylic White, and Flow Acrylic Black. We have Amsterdam paints, and this is Quinacridone Rose and Bronze. Then I have Golden Alizarin Crimson Hue, because I wanted to have a darker version of the pink. Okay, let's do it. Okay, I'm gonna be brave. So let's use this leftover paint so that we can do a small pour and use up all these colors. I'm gonna start with black in here, and I'm gonna put white on top. And then I'm gonna put this combination in here, from here. Probably gonna make a brown color. Just gonna let it drip. Whatever color comes in there. Okay, so let's put now the pink. Okay, so I'm gonna prepare a cup with black and white alone. I will measure that camber for you and put it in the screen. I'm gonna put black, good amount of black, and a good amount of white. Gonna probably make gray too, but we'll see. I should have, instead of poured it like that, I should have put it on top. Oh well, doesn't matter. Gonna flip this one. Oh no, I was gonna pour. So I'm gonna start with white. Maybe a tiny bit more white. Okay, we can leave some in there. And we're gonna pour this. Add some more black and white in here. Okay, so add some more white on this side. I don't have any specific plan, I just going as I go. You know how that is. That will help that move to that way. Okay. I should start torching. Let's start torching before I lose all this. Need more paint in there. Oops. Well, that is Umberto. It's a depression coming. I hope it doesn't take my electricity. That would be bad. If we lose electricity, we won't be able to finish this on camera. Okay, so I hope I don't lose electricity. Still not moving that way. Okay, so going to help it on the side because it's a large, not large, but it's there's a gap in there that I want to cover. I think I have to put black in there. Let's put black. Oops. Wow, I'm losing it. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. One more. This side. Very dirty gloves, so that's not good. Okay, so this side. And one more. Okay, let's leave it like that. Okay, so now we're going to torch again. It's a large. It's hard to manage that canvas. But let's see what we can do. Torching again. It's a lot of negative space in here, but remember, we didn't have much paint. It was almost all black and white. I used a lot of black and white, and there was no silicone in the black or the white. Just gonna leave it like this. Love how this one turned out. Very pretty. And with this one, I did this other one. So very, very pretty. I love the shape of those in there. It is very organic because it has some areas of no cells and some areas of cells. I think it is very pretty. And with that gold in there, got the gold. Very pretty.